Hello everyone, welcome today in this daily newspaper on Tuesday, July the 14th, 2020. Only one regular medium Sudoku. Yes, but in this daily newspaper there is also an additional with 5 extra Sudokus. But first, I will solve this regular Sudoku. And before I start with this regular medium Sudoku, I want to count all the printed numbers. How many printed numbers is in this puzzle? We have here 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 3 is 10, 12, 16, 17 plus 3 is 20, 24, 26. 26 printed numbers. If you compare with the additional with extra Sudokus, this one Sudoku Medium is a 2 stars Sudoku. The 27 is a 1 star, the 26 is 2 stars, 25 is 3 stars, and 24 is a 4 stars Sudoku. So let's get started. We have a 9 in this row, a 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then a 4 in this row, a 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then a 2 in this column, a 2 in the third column, so in the column between. The second column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the third column, so in the second column, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1. No 1 in that box. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5. No 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 8. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. And the 7 goes there. Then yes, 3 missing numbers. The 4, the 5, and the 7. We see here a 4 and a 5. That means 1 digit left, the 7. Here goes the 4 and the 5. I cannot fill this yet. 4 and the 5. That means in the first column, those 2 numbers are the 9 and the 7. 9 and the 7. Remember that? I cannot fill this yet. How about this third column? The missing 2 numbers are the 3 and the 8. No, I cannot fill this yet. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And then 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 8, here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. Then 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6. No 6 in these 3 boxes. Here 6. No 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. Then 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only place for the 3 should be there. 7, yes. 6 in this row, 6 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in the second row. The missing numbers are the 1 and the 3. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then these 2 numbers are the 7 and the 2. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 7 and the 2. How about these 2 numbers in this row, 7 and the 2? Those numbers are the 4, no, 7 and the 2, 5 and the 1. 5 and the 1 are missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 numbers in this big square, the 2 and the 7, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then let me see. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then let me see. 7 and a 2. I'm missing the 9. Yes, in this middle column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9. No 9 there. Here 9 in this big square. So no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. The 5 is missing. Yes, we see here 5 in this column. Here are 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 4 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the third column, so the column between. The only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. One number left in this column should be the number 4. Then 4, yes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. The 8 is missing. And the 7 is missing. We see here the 4 and the 8. So in this box, no 4 and the 8. This should be the 7. Here we have the 4 and the 8. 4 and the 8. That means we have a 4 in this column, a 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places for the 4, here or there. We see here 4, no 4, there 4 should be here. One box is missing in this column for the number 2. One box is missing in this big square for the number 7. One box is missing in this column for the number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 boxes are left in this first column for the numbers 7 and 9. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 9 goes there. And then in this row, 3 missing numbers. The 2, the 4, and the 5. 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 4 and 5 are left. 4 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. One number left in this last row for the number 3. Yeah, 3, 3 and 8 is missing, yes. 8 and 4. How about these 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We see here 7, so no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 8 and 9 are left. 8 and 9, I cannot fill this yet. 8 and 9. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. And look, we have an 8 here. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 4 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 4. I remember these two numbers are the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 5 goes there. 5 in this column. 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 5 should be here. The 8 and the 9 are left. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 9 goes there. One number left in this column for the number 9. Then these two numbers, the 8 and the 8 and the 6 is missing. 8 and the 6, we have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 8 and the 3. We have an 8 now, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 3 and the 7 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Only if you like or if you want. and hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. See you next time with the with extra Sudokus. Take care, stay healthy, keep on puzzling, and see you soon. Bye bye.